That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that. I wanna.
Hi my loves, hi, welcome to a new vlog. Today is Saturday the 10th, I think 10th of August, and yeah, we're going to go get maintained. So I mean, my legs, my nails, my brows, my hair, everything needs help, and we're going to go help her out. But yeah, if you're new here, you just see my face for the first time, even though you can't really see my face, but here we are. Hi, my name is Wendy and I am a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. But yeah, this is the fit for today. Just this slides, this short, and this big shirt. Anyway, you see big shirts, sign me up, because that's where I'll be. Anywho, I am about to step out. Like, I am itching to like just take everything from my body and just put new ones. So I think for my hair, I'll just like get cornrows, wear wigs for a bit so my hair rests, and then I get my nails done. I'm very sure about that one. I'm getting my nails done. I'm getting this off. These two I am very sure of. Let me quit talking and get going. Bye guys, bye. She's back and she's different. You people, like, my nails are done, my lashes are done, I have cornrows, you know, I feel brand new. You can't talk to me, period, okay? Period. Bye guys, let's call it a day. Tomorrow is Sunday, church, and then work. I have to edit a video. I have to like get videos together, edit them, upload, do thumbnail, all this within probably 5 hours. I don't know how that's gonna happen, but it's gonna happen. We're gonna perform magic. Okay, bye guys. Guess who decided to be useful? Me. So like, instead of procrastinating to tomorrow and waiting till then before I like unbox this shipment, I decided to do it today with you guys because tomorrow is going to be hella busy. Like, once I go to church, come back, then take care of my family members from 12 o'clock till like maybe 6. It's going to be so busy because I must I must put out a vlog tomorrow. Yeah, now let's get on to unboxing this bad boy here. So there are 2 of them, this and this, but let's start from this one first. Start with this. Okay, so these are like mud masks for my business. I'll show you guys what it looks like up close. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, it's focusing now. Yeah, like there are different types. I think there is one with cucumber in it. Yep. To this one, wow, you can tell, I mean, this is so good. It was worth the wait. It was worth the wait. It was worth the wait. Like, I've been waiting for this for more than 2 months now, and like they've just been telling me different stories, from one story to another, but it's here now. So these are like sheet masks for my business. Yeah, this is blood orange. Oh, is it focusing? Is it not? It's not focusing. This is blood orange. This is vitamin C. This is blueberry. These are like eye masks and lip masks sets. The mud masks. I'm so excited. These are like cucumber masks. But before anything, I need to like count and make sure everything is complete, because that's the most important thing. Because if it's not complete, I have to refund it. You have to give me back my money, because it's your gachi. 1, 2.
Yes. Just in case. Oh, thank you, big brother. Good luck, guys. Thank you. You guys who just finished editing?
So you guys, I've been trying to upload this thing for how long now, and it's not, I've already cried and I've cleaned my eyes because it got to like 40 something and then it started all over again. I'm just tired, but I want to try and take a stroll, maybe inside my clothes, outside, like just walk around a little bit and like see if I can find better network, because I've tried MTN, I've tried Airtel, I've tried my SpectraNet, and all these are not working out. So like I'm so frustrated, like Jesus Christ, God. Usually I upload like overnight, I just leave it and go to bed. Then when I wake up in the morning, it should be done. The struggle of being a creator in this country, like, it keeps getting worse and worse. But it's on 8% now, and it says 3 hours to upload. 3 hours, and the time is like 2:07. You guys remember when I started uploading this video? It was like 5 o'clock on the dot. Yes. And now it's 2:07 and we are still here. Let me just walk around and see if anything changes. You guys, she did it. Wendy, you're too much. But I'm never trying this again. You know when they say don't try this at home? This is me. Don't try this again, bruh. Time is past 8 and I put this video up by 8 o'clock p.m. I've never done that, but I don't want to procrastinate. I can get, like, it can get to tomorrow and I will lose my vibe. I want to put out the video again, or I'll move it till like Thursday, and I'll say, oh, I have content for Thursday already, so I don't want to put it up. So I don't want to do that. I know myself, like once I like slack once, I just like draw myself back and I just enter my shell back. So now that I'm out, I am out with full force, like full force. Anywho, I just finished spending money. I'm not breathing fine. I just finished spending money on skincare. Over 100,000. You pop, like, what is that? These are so expensive. Like, expenses that carry an income. Like, there's no other way to put it. Like, this is the only way I can put it. Expenses that carry go income. I can't do, like, skincare will be say 30k before I don't buy everything I want buy. I don't close shop. People now 100. If this skincare finish before Christmas, before December, all I have to say is that I will just go back to the door. It's not hard. I'll go back to the door in peace. Let peace reign. But the thing is, I'm trying to like take care of some things on my body, like my legs. I have spots. If my friends and well-wishers hear me talking about this, like I'm not insecure about it though. I'm not like bothered. It doesn't bother me. But like I've just been seeing like girls with like smooth skin. And I'm just like, oh, I really love that for myself. I love where I am now. I love the journey and everything. So I'm hoping that this new product like even on my skin, like makes it brighter. Maybe the dark spots will still be there, but at least like I want it to be shining, sparkling, glowy, and that's just what I want right now. So I decided to invest in it. Yeah, I'm investing in my body and my skin. I also got some supplements for the hair, skin, and nails. So yeah, that's about today. Like this is really how I spend my day: editing, cooking, like shopping. Yeah, that's all I did today. So yeah, tomorrow is Monday. Back to the routine. I feel like I'm getting into a routine and I love it. So it's like Monday to Thursdays I go to the gym. Something else that's making me happy is the fact that NYSC, and is it you people no CDS this month. Well, unless like the what do they even call those people, the NYSC chairman I think says otherwise, but for now there is protest, so there's no service, there is no like CDS, there's no clearance, so they should just run me my check. Like I'm so happy about that. I can't lie. Like I'm tired of wearing that uniform, bruh. So they're like, nobody should wear the uniforms, nobody should like nothing, none of that. Just hoping that maybe they should just give us till maybe October we can resume. I really appreciate that. I'm talking too much now, but anyway, like that made me very, very happy. Like it makes me happy knowing that this coming Friday now that's supposed to be my CDS, there's not going to be CDS, bruh. You know what that is? And like last 2 weeks was supposed to be my clearance and there was no clearance. I'm not happy about the chaos in the country. I'm just happy that I don't have to wear a uniform. Anyway, I'm going to start editing my next video this night because I'm not about to do last minute. Like the last minute I just finished doing, it doesn't sit well in my spirit at all. I love my weekend, so Monday to Friday we're going to work all the work we have to work so that we can have our weekend to ourselves. And like yesterday I didn't have my weekend to myself too because I had to get my hair and lashes and then I had to get everything done. So this week we're going to do everything we need to do within the week so that we can have the weekend to ourselves. And yeah, business is really, really booming. Like Like some of my products are out of stock and I'm restocking. Business, babe. It's not easy. Or easy. If it's easy, run eh? Anyways, I'm leaving this place. Let me go and start editing this week's content. So when I'm done editing, I will now focus on other things. But Monday is for business and editing. Okay.